Hello everyone, welcome to the Flying Machine channel. Winglets are a technology on airplanes that function to increase the lift of the aircraft by reducing the vortex at the tip of the wing, which makes the aircraft have minimal drag and increases the efficiency of engine combustion. So it will save fuel consumption. If the reason for using winglets is to increase combustion efficiency, then why are winglets only used on commercial aircraft and not used on fighter aircraft? Don't fighter aircraft need them? This is what we will discuss in this video. However, before continuing the discussion, let's support the Flying Machine channel by turning on the notification bell. The first step to understanding the effectiveness of using winglets is to look at the size of the wings. Commercial aircraft generally have longer wings than fighter aircraft. The longer the wings of an aircraft, the greater the potential for air vortices to form at the tip of the wings, which become aerodynamic drag on the aircraft. That is why commercial aircraft need winglets more than fighter aircraft. The use of winglets on commercial aircraft not only reduces drag, but also increases the stability of the aircraft. The more stable an aircraft is, the more comfortable the flight will be, because every movement made by the aircraft becomes very smooth. This stability and movement is the main reason why aircraft manufacturers apply winglets to their aircraft. Because the selling point of a commercial aircraft lies in how much comfort it can provide to passengers during the flight. Meanwhile, fighter aircraft are not created for comfort. As war vehicles, fighter aircraft do not require stability. The most important thing is that the aircraft is able to move freely, quickly, and aggressively. The use of winglets on fighter aircraft will only add weight to the wingtips, which can increase the moment of inertia that makes it difficult for the aircraft to roll. So that in the end, the use of winglets will only reduce the maneuverability of a fighter aircraft. Winglets are only effective for use on aircraft flying in the subsonic speed range, while on aircraft flying in the supersonic speed range, the use of winglets is actually an obstacle when shock waves form in the area of the aircraft's wings. In addition, the use of winglets on fighter aircraft will increase radar detection. This is a disaster for fighter aircraft, because they are more likely to be shot at when the aircraft is on a reconnaissance mission in enemy territory. For fighter aircraft, the most important thing is high maneuverability. No matter how much the operational costs are, the important thing is that the aircraft can bring victory in war missions. In conclusion, winglets are an appropriate technology that is only useful on the right aircraft, namely commercial aircraft that function to increase stability and fuel efficiency. That is the discussion related to the reasons why winglets are only used on commercial aircraft and not used on fighter aircraft. If there is other interesting information related to this topic, please write in the comments column. See you in the next video.